I think there's someone under my bed. That was the first thing my little sister whispered to me at 3 a.m., her tiny hand shaking my shoulder. I gradually sat up, rubbing my eyes. Just go back to sleep, Mia, I mumbled. She shook her head furiously. No, I heard breathing. It's not mine. I sighed but followed her back to her room. The hallway felt colder than usual. When we got to her bed, she refused to climb in. Instead, she stood frozen at the doorway, staring at the dark space beneath it. Check, she whispered. I rolled my eyes and knelt down, lifting the covers. Just empty darkness. Mia, there's nothing. And then I saw it. A pair of wide, glassy eyes staring back at me. My heart stopped. The thing under the bed grinned, its lips peeling back to reveal rows of jagged, yellow teeth. Then, in a voice that was exactly like my sister's, it whispered, "There's someone on my bed." I snapped my head up. Mia was already in bed, staring down at me with horror. So then, who was standing in the doorway?